So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trim a video in Runway ML. So yeah, so the trimming a video is a core skill for refining AI generated footage or imported assets within the platform's timeline editor. Now select the clip. So click on the video assets in the timeline so it's highlighted. So let's go and do that. Now I will click here uh, where you see full prompt. So click on that and it will open up new page where you will then have here down this timeline with some tools. Now what we can do is click here on retime video, and this is basically this will basically trim your video. So if you look on the left side here, you have some menus, so basically the tool. And here, as you can see, if you move this, you will trim the video. So you can also see how many seconds is left. So if I do it just like that, is now video long 9 seconds. Here I can also do playback speed, so I can do this a little bit faster or a little bit slower. So then we have handheld shake, this one we can adjust also. Shake speed, let's go with that one, like so. Reverse, no. And then what is you will gonna do is here click on render, and right here it will proceed to rendering to this video, so it will make a difference on that video. And like that, you will see here that this video is now trimmed. So basically edited. So we change a trim length here and some speed. Yeah, and that's basically it, how you can trim a video. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next